Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing how I take my photos for Instagram, blog posts, YouTube thumbnails, all of that stuff. I did already do my filming setup video, which I will link down below for you guys in case you want to see that or you missed it. But my photo setup is fairly similar. So I still use my two lamps and I still use my tripod. I usually use a poster board, or if I don't already have the poster board set up, sometimes what I'll do is I will use background papers and just lay a couple of these out or one of them out depending on how large the photo needs to be, and then this will become like my background, I suppose, for my photos. So these are just regular size 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, and I have like this whole little folder of them so I can change up the colors as I want. But for today, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to take white background photos that look really nice and professional. So I do use two OttLite desk lamps, which I will link down below for you guys. They're LED, they're really great. They have a really bright white light. I do put on some vellum around them just to help diffuse the light a little bit and soften any shadows and any glare. And then what I do when I'm taking photos is, you know, I have my basic setup, and then what I've done is gone to the Dollar Tree and gotten a couple of their phone boards, as well as this poster board, which is from them as well. But I use a couple of these, and I take one and I place it behind my lights. So it will wind up looking something like this. I kind of angle it so that it bounces the light back down onto whatever I'm photographing. And then I take a second one and I do the same thing. So it makes like a little photo tent, right? And this works really well. It does help bounce the light around. And then because I'm not super tall, I have this little step stool and I just stand on here. And then I photograph through the spaces, I guess, of my poster board. So this is what it looks like from above. I know it's kind of crazy, but once you kind of move your camera lens down, it becomes a really nice, evenly lit backdrop. So most of the time I actually use my phone to take photos, because then I can just go ahead really easily and add any filters or bump up the contrast or whatever. So right here I will insert a picture straight out of my phone camera as to what this whole lighting setup looks like, and then this is what it looks like after I've edited it. Now I can go ahead and crop it if I want or whatever. I know it looks kind of crazy, but you guys, it kind of works. So definitely give this a try. It's a really inexpensive option, especially if you already have the lights or whatever you need. These were like $1 each and it works really well. Scrapbook paper is inexpensive too, so definitely give this a try, you guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!